So, what's the role of the board of directors and the individual directors that make up that board? To start with, the role of directors is to make the high level management decisions for the corporation. That is, they review operational plans, strategic initiatives, long term and short term goals, the budgeting for that, and they approve this. They're the ones who hand down the commands or directives to the executives, the officers, to carry out. Okay. These are the high level type decisions that they're making. And in some situations, the decisions are of such importance, of such relevance to the overall well being of the corporation that they even have to submit it to shareholder approval, such as mergers, acquisition, divestitures, things like that may have to be submitted for shareholder approval. But by and large, this is their role. Now, what are the things that they have to do on a daily basis? They have to stay informed of what's going on to keep themselves apprised of the state of the corporation, operational affairs, all other considerations that would go into decision making. They have to act with a duty of care, duty of loyalty to the corporation, and they have to act in good faith. They have to demonstrate ethical behavior when acting on behalf of the corporation. So the duty of care means that it's really a negligent standard of care that you have to act as a reasonable director would under the circumstances. Then there's the duty of loyalty. That is the duty not to take corporate advantages for yourself or to usurp corporate benefit for yourself, particularly at the expense of the corporation. So avoiding all of these. The directors, some of their primary functions is voting on and approving the corporate budget, electing or appointing executive officers. They oversee any elections, that is, elections for the board of directors itself, any shareholder votes on particular issues, things like that. So the whole voting governance, internal governance process is the realm of the board of directors. And then the disclosures, okay, the disclosures that are required under state law or internal governance procedure for awareness of shareholders, and the public disclosure requirements if the company is a reporting company. That is, the documents and information that they have to file with the Securities and Exchange Commission or the state version of the Securities and Exchange Commission to make the public at large and potential shareholders aware of what's going on in the corporation or any major things that are happening in that way. So again, these are the primary roles of the board of directors, and most notably, so much of the governance responsibilities are centered there within the realm of the board's responsibilities.